country. For mother Karyakartas sitting in this hall, only by Zindabad, Zindabad, we are not going to win this Tirupati Lok Sabha by-election. For winning, first we have to contact each and every voter of this Lok Sabha constituency. I can see out of 7 assembly constituencies of Tirupati Lok Sabha, good number of youth. I can see good number of good Karyakartas, old Karyakartas, new Karyakartas. And my God, what joinings are happening in Andhra Pradesh. From Srikakulam to Kadiri, the border of Karnataka. From Karnoolu to Visakhapatnam, everywhere. Telugu Desam Party, cadre, district cadre, formal MLAs, they are joining Bharatiya Janata Party. Some of the leaders, they talk to us. They talk to us. They call us. They meet us in closed door meeting. And they say, we are waiting, we are waiting, we are waiting. We will join afterwards. My appeal to all of them, join as early as possible. Join as early as possible. Earlier who joins will get early benefits. जितना जल्दी आओगे उतना जल्दी फायदा होगा, जितना देरी से आओगे उतना देरी से फायदा होगा. फायदा तो होना ही है, because there is only one alternative left for Andhra Pradesh people now is Bharatiya Janata Party Jana Sena Alliance under able leadership of the state leadership of Somu Raju Garu and Pawan Kalyan Garu. See we call her Chinnamma, Chinnamma, now she has become Peddamma. Purandeshwari Garu. I used to call her Chinnamma, Chinnamma, but she became National General Secretary, so I call her Peddamma, and now I have become Chinna Babu. And Purandeshwari Garu is now National General Secretary of Bharatiya Janata Party. The great N.T. Ramarao's daughter and Bharatiya Janata Party leader. N.T. Ramarao Garu was really great personality. He founded Telugu Desam Party with a mission. Telugu Sabhyata, Telugu Samskar, Telugu language, Telugu culture, Telugu pride. That was the mission of N.T. Ramarao Garu. The insult committed by of Andhra Pradesh Congress by Central Congress, one family party there. Protest against Congress. N.T. Ramarao Garu founded great Telugu Desam Party with mission. But as soon as Chandrababu Garu became the president, what you call in Telugu, Venupottu. Venupottu, Mosagadu. The mission is lost. Commission Raj started. So I always call, when I see Bahubali film, I always remember that if Bahubali was N.T. Ramarao Garu, N.T. Ramarao Garu was really Bahubali, then who was Katappa who backslide from back? Is Chandrababu Naidu Garu. Yesterday, Narendra Modi ji told one thing while addressing all Karyakartas and people of this nation from party headquarters. There is a danger to this country. Political parties, those who are family enterprises, family parties, Kutumbam parties, everywhere. What is happening in Mumbai? What is Uddhav Thackeray's party? It is a family enterprise, family party. His son, no experience in politics, but he is minister, and father and son are ruling Maharashtra, and even leaders like Sharad Pawar and Balasaheb Thorat, they are helpless. They cannot do anything in front of this family party. And what they can say, they are also family enterprises. Congress is also family dynasty politics. In Telugu Desam here also family politics. All Telugu Desam leaders are frustrated because of the emerging leadership of Nara Lokesh. And that is why these family enterprises and corrupt parties, their shops, their enterprises should be closed. Andhra Pradesh రాష్ట్రంలో కూడా రెండు పార్టీలు రాష్ట్ర పార్టీలు ఉన్నాయి. ఒకటే తెలుగుదేశం పార్టీ, రెండవది వైఎస్ఆర్సీపీ పార్టీ. రెండు పార్టీలు కులతత్వ పార్టీలే, రెండు పార్టీలు అవినీతి పార్టీలే, రెండు పార్టీలు కుటుంబం పార్టీలే. భారతీయ జనతా పార్టీ మాత్రమే కులతత్వ పార్టీ కాదు, కుటుంబం పార్టీ కాదు, అవినీతి పార్టీ కాదు. Can somebody tell the name of Somuvir Raju Garu's father? No. Nobody sitting here is in BJP because of his father. And if any one person is because of his father, nothing wrong in that. But party is not in hands of one family in Bharatiya Janata Party. Nobody knew the name of daughter of Sushma Swaraj ji. Nobody knew the name of son of Arun Jaitley ji. Great BJP leaders, great parliamentarians, they are no more. But the world knew the names of daughter and son of Sushma ji and Arun ji when Narendra Modi ji in Shraddhanjali Sabha called their daughter and son by their names. बांसुरी स्वराज, सारा देश तुम्हारे साथ है. रोहन जेटली, सारा देश तुम्हारे साथ है. At that time, people knew the name, came to know the name of Sushma ji's daughter and Arun Jaitley ji's son. That is Bharatiya Janata Party. ये बाप बेटे की पार्टी नहीं है. And this message we have to take to every person in Tirupati Assembly, Tirupati, because we are all Tirupati Assembly Karyakartas. And my humble appeal to all leaders sitting on dais, we all are Karyakartas first and leaders afterwards. I request all of you to rewind and play to see yesterday Narendra Modi ji's speech given at party headquarters. It is a real speech of a Karyakarta of Bharatiya Janata Party. A Prime Minister who took pains, who conducted number of rallies in Bihar, and really the table turned because of Narendra Modi ji's rally. All know this fact. But he acknowledged party president J.P. Nadda's efforts, tremendous efforts taken for winning Bihar elections. And he gave entire credit to Bharatiya Janata Party president J.P. Nadda ji regarding Bihar elections and all bypolls. That is Bharatiya Janata Party. Prime Minister is a Karyakarta. I ask all of you, if Prime Minister is a Karyakarta, then who are we? We are also Karyakartas. And it is our duty to go to door, Gadab Gadab BJP, Inti Intiki BJP, Kadu. Gunde Gunde BJP, Gunde Gunde BJP. Sarigya cheppana? Gattiga cheppandi, sarigya cheppana? So my dear brothers and sisters, let us prepare, work hard, and we will show Andhra Pradesh people that yes, there is a changed mood of Andhra Pradesh people, as it has been changed by Telangana Bharatiya Janata Party under leadership of Sanjay Bandi Garu there. Here also under the leadership of Somuvir Raju Garu, the mood of Andhra Pradesh people are changing, and the litmus test is going to come. That litmus test is Tirupati by-election, Parliament by-election. It is unfortunate that the member of Parliament of YSRCP, he expired. It is unfortunate. He could not show what he could have done in 5 years. But when he is not there, obviously there will be a by-election. And when there is a by-election, Bharatiya Janata Party and Janasena alliance will contest this by-election. And this alliance will show that we are number one in the state now. And for that, all of us, Rendu Chetalu Paikatti, ఇంకొకసారి और एक बार రెండు చేతులు పైకెత్తి గట్టిగా చెప్పండి భారత్ మాతా की भारत माता की भारत माता की। कुछ कुछ अंब बैठी है, हाथ ऊपर नहीं उठाया। हाँ, नरेंद्र मोदी गारी नायकत्वम, नरेंद्र मोदी गारी नायकत्वम, नरेंद्र मोदी गारी नायकत्वम, नरेंद्र मोदी गारी नायकत्वम, जेपी नड्डा गारी नायकत्वम, सोमुवीर राजू गारी नायकत्वम, सोमुवीर राजू गारी नायकत्वम। जिंदाबाद 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 जिंदाबाद
జిందాబాద్.
అందరికీ ధన్యవాదములు.
ధన్యవాదాలు సార్. చాలా ఉత్సాహభరితమైనటువంటి ఉపన్యాసం ద్వారా అందరికీ కూడా ప్రేరణ కలిగించారు. ఇప్పుడు భారతీయ జనతా పార్టీ కుటుంబంలోకి నూతనంగా చేరడానికి